Hi you guys, welcome back. This time we've come back with a fun video. I'll tell you what, the lockdown is going super slow for all of us and the weekends are like meh. Anyway, so my friend Pranay who stays across the road texted me the other day and said, hey, what are your plans for the weekend? I said, what plans do you have for the weekend? Like, who has plans for the weekend during lockdown? Anyway, so he said, why don't you teach me how to bake a cake if you're free? So today we're going to bake a cake and I will show you how the day goes. And this guy is a first time baker, so let's see how his experience is. Okay, so we're almost ready with all of our ingredients and we're almost ready to start. But before that, let's call our guest for today. Let's say hi to Pranay. Hi Pranay!
Hi.
Hi guys, this is Pranay and he's the one who's interested in baking. Okay, no. So he has no idea what's going to come up. Let's see how he feel about it. So are we ready to bake?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So Pranay, our first step is to grate carrots.
Okay.
And that's because we're making a carrot cake. Welcome to baking, Pranay.
Oh, I'm done with my grading.
Awesome! You're one step into baking and a long way to go.
What's the next step?
So next step, let's get into the nut section.
Okay.
You tell me, do you like pecans or walnuts?
I like pecans.
But I like walnuts.
So what we'll do next?
Okay, let's do something. Turn.
Okay.
Good job. Okay Pranay, so it's time for the flour. So I was thinking let's make it a healthy version. So we're doing half portion maida and half portion whole wheat. So we're going to put the flour in, but you tell me at the halfway mark, how does it feel?
I don't know, but it's taking too long time. I think.
He's already tired. Okay, let's put in the flour.
Okay. So I should start where you go from?
No, don't beat it. Just measure 1 cup of maida.
Okay.
You can put the beater on the side.
I should not beat, no?
No, just put it here. No. Yeah, start beating. Careful, okay? It'll puff in your face. What is this?
Sorry.
First time baker, excuse. This is for what he has done here. So Pranay, for the carrots, it's always good to fold these carrots rather than beat them. So do you know what fold is?
No, sorry. I don't know.
So fold is take it from the bottom, push it on top. Take it from the bottom, push it on top. Take it from the bottom, push it on top. That's it. This is folding. Let's see how we do it. That's right.
Take it from the bottom, push it on the top. Take it from the bottom, push it on the top.
Pranay, it's time for walnuts.
Okay.
Do you like some raisins in your cake, like kismis?
No.
Thanks, even I don't. Yes, this is also a fold technique. Take it from the bottom and push it on top.
Take it from the bottom, push it on the top. Take it from the bottom, push it on the top.
Also, Mr. Pranay,
Yeah.
do you have any explanation for this mess that you made?
You should also have some work. That's fine.
Okay, it just came back at me. So Pranay,
Yeah.
you're done with the batter.
Okay.
Tell me your experience.
It's too tough.
Okay, but that's okay. It'll be all worth it once you get the cake in your hand and you take a bite. Okay. So now, what I would like you to do is take a bit of this batter into
No.
this cup.
Should I taste it or
Yes.
what? No.
Yes. That's how you become a baker. At least one like me. Okay, 1 hour later, we're ready to put the batter into the oven. Be careful, it's really hot. Shit. Okay guys, so the cake is in the oven. It's baking, almost ready, 10 more minutes. And Pranay is all drained out, snacking on sapota and some nuts. I thought I'll give you guys some quick tips that we've used or not used in this recipe. First thing, while you put the cake into the oven, I actually have 5+ tips for you guys and I have them all recorded, but then I thought let me not bore you guys with all of that, so I put them into the description box below. So check that out. The cake's ready, guys! Oh, these are our tests, just pokes. How does it look, Pranay?
Yeah, yummy, I think so.
So while the cake cools down, we will get on to the process of making frosting for the cake. Okay, so we started with cream cheese.
Okay. I'm having it down.
Okay.
So cake is baked, right? So we can keep it on the tray, right?
Onto that tray? No, that's another tip, guys, for you. That's a good question, right? Cool. Okay, so we will just eyeball this.
Okay. I think that's enough.
No. You can take a break, but you're not done yet.
I think it's done. Once come and check now.
Patience. This is what makes you a good baker.
Okay.
Patience, bro. Patience.
Okay.
So now you will just leave this way and then we will start checking on the cake. Alright. So we are starting the frosting process. This is a little tricky and I'm really hoping Pranay will get a hang of it, and let's see how it goes. So Pranay, first take a dollop
Okay.
and put it onto the cake and start spreading it. So what are you going to do? Put chocolate chips in the center as well?
I'm thinking so. What do you say?
I say you should do whatever you think. looks pretty because this is your cake. But by the way, you seem to be pretty creative. So let's clean up a bit and then cut into this.
Super yummy, super yummy.
Good job! You baked a yummy cake.
Yep.
It looks super moist also.
Yeah.
Wow, Pranay. Not bad. Okay guys, so that has been the video and we are going to jump in and dive into this cake and finish this today. But you guys should follow this recipe and try it out in this lockdown period. Bye!